In this video, you will see the lawnmower wheel being replaced. Reason for it is the duster, which is that black piece, has been damaged, and it allows debris to enter the wheel. And once the debris get inside the wheel stops turning, and the lawnmower doesn't move; it freezes. This has been going on for a while. All you have to do is put a get that nut in the center off. It's a 14 millimeter. This is a Craftsman with a. If you look at the wheel, you see that piece right there, part of a pine that it's been jammed, and that's the reason the wheel is not moving. Plus all the other brown stuff on the wheel, you see debris. Now, in order for us to finish the job, we need to get that metal gear out. The metal gear is held together by a C-clamp, I believe it's called, shaped like a C. And the way we're going to get it out is basically I'm going to use a screwdriver. There's a little bit of room, and the screwdriver is very thin. It's a flat screwdriver. I'm going to turn it from left to right. I'm going to make sure the C-clamp does not pop out because it's under load and it will fly off. So I'm going to use my hand to cover it. We also use the 4x4 to keep the wheel off the ground so we can work on it. All we did is put a 4x4 underneath the lawnmower. Now here it is. We're going to go left to turn the screwdriver left to right and get that C-clamp out that is holding that metal gear in place. Once that C-clamp is out, the metal gear will come out real easy. This was a very easy job. I did not expect it to go that fast and to be so easy. The whole thing took 10 minutes or less, and this was my first time doing it, replacing the wheel. So I think the C-clamp is out at this time, and now, yep, the C-clamp is right there. It's a small piece. We're going to get the gear out. We're going to get the washer out, get the dust out, dust filter or whatever you call them, dust shield. Here goes the dust shield, the new one. The gear has two little notches in it, which correspond with the two notches on the shaft, and it needs to go in a certain way. If you do it right, it will grab that shaft, and when you turn the gear, the other side spins as well. The other side wheel, the opposite side wheel spins as well. That's how you know you got it right. Now we got to put the C-clamp back on, and I found out the easiest way was, because I had room, is just sit it there, put the screwdriver on top of it and hit it with a hammer and push it down. And that's what we did, and it worked perfectly. It was rather easy. You hit right at the tip of the screwdriver, not in the middle of the screwdriver, to push it down. So here you go. One, boom, is in. I think it took 3 hammers to get it in, but it's in. And all we got to do is put the wheel on and put the nut back on, and we're done. Hopefully we don't have to deal with this thing for a long time. Now the cost was $30 in 2024, but if you found a similar lawnmower, you probably could use parts as a spare part and save you some money. But overall the job is very easy, so don't be intimidated. Hopefully this helped you out, and hopefully this will get you another 5 or 6 years out of the lawnmower. If you have any question, leave a comment, and that sums up the deal. Enjoy the rest of the video, and hopefully we see you soon on another project. And whatever you do, if you like this video, go ahead and help me out and give it a click or join so we can do more video. Leave any questions you have. Talk to you later, and have a great day. Here's a test of the lawnmower. We're going to go run it, and it's running perfectly.